What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk, and today I'm talking a little bit about the Surface Duo 2. Let's get into it. That's right, guys. Today we are talking about the Surface Duo 2. Now, I'm interested with this one, especially where they're talking about the pen can magnet on the back. There's a camera, a big-ass camera sensor on the back. Like I said, after being able to play with this thing a little bit in the wild yesterday, I had a different opinion of it, because seeing it online and then playing with it in the store, I was kind of like, this is whatever. But actually being able to see this, and now that we know it's going to have a Snapdragon 888, so last year it came out with not an inferior processor, just older tech. It came out with an older processor, but now Microsoft ain't playing. It was successful enough for them to throw the balls at the wall, and they did that. Snapdragon 888, supposedly really good cameras, the magnet pen on the back, and a little bit different of a design with the materials and stuff that are there. And I think, like the first generation is kind of like getting your feet wet, sticking your toes in the water, right? And this next generation, this next one that's dropping now, is going to be the one that really, really sets the tone and makes a difference, I think, when it comes to this device. What do you guys think? Are you guys excited about the Microsoft Surface Duo 2? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm kind of interested in it. Granted, I am a Z Fold 3 fanatic right now. I'm loving this phone, kind of using it for everything, but I'm not opposed to using something better if it comes along. Is that going to be better? Well, it is Microsoft, so that is yet to be seen. I guess we'll have to see. So, not an exceptionally long video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm going to be honest with you. I got to play with the first generation, and I kind of thought it was garbage looking at it in store, and then I saw somebody out with it in public. I let them play with my Z Fold 3. I played with the Duo. Right now, you can pick them up about $450. It is LTE only. The new joint is supposed to be 5G enabled with all of the bells and whistles and a camera on the back. That would make it interesting for me, and especially if the cameras are good. It's why I like the Z Fold 3, because I can shoot, edit, make thumbnail. I can pretty much run an entire, not one, not two, not three, but 4 different YouTube channels off of a device. And yeah, I'm interested. I'm totally interested about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Teaser for you guys that follow the car channel. Got some new stuff. See y'all on the next one.